Hey, it's SgtLocksmith here. All right, we're going to change the battery on our remote here on this old Ford. You're just going to need a quarter. Make sure you have your quarter. Most of your Ford owners already carry one in case you need to make that phone call. Go ahead and remove your key ring off because you'll need it to perform this task. And if you notice, you do have an indentation right here. When you put it in, you'll see the quarter sticks in there. You know you're in the right spot. Go ahead and twist it, and when you do, the back cover will pop off. Here's your battery, which is CR2032. Take your thumbnail, fingernail, lift up on it, and there you go. When you put the battery in, go ahead and push it in towards the flat side of the remote, because you'll see there's little metal tangs in there, and when you push in, push down, and it sits in place. On the back of your remote, make sure you reseat your rubber seal. Go ahead and take the front part of your remote and match it up, and go ahead and give it a nice little squeeze, and there you go. You just changed the battery on your remote. Thanks for watching SgtLocksmith.